Hello people, good evening. So it's the 13th of July 2019 and I noticed earlier in the week that I'm up to 5,000 subscribers now. I think it's 5,005, something like that. So would like to say thank you to everybody. I really appreciate that, and I hope that you're all enjoying the channel. Really, that's basically what most of this is all about. I hope people are learning from it, and of course I'm learning as well. So what I thought it'd be nice to do is, anybody out there who's watching this, if you'd like to, just post a little comment down below. Just say what you want to say. It'd be nice to know, how long you've been watching this channel. Some of you peeps watching it, I know, have been with me since relatively sort of early in the YouTube journey, which I think was around 2015, something like that. I look back at my older videos. I think one of the first videos I ever did was how to take a gooseberry cutting, and another one, I think the first ever video I did was regarding the apple Winter King, which is an apple variety that I really rate highly. I think it's brilliant, mainly because it's just a long keeping apple, and you can keep it well into sort of March, April the following year if kept under correct conditions, which I think is really amazing. So there we go. That's one reason why I wanted to put that video up. And of course the gooseberry cutting video, I thought, well, this was brilliant because people can take cuttings from gooseberry bushes. They can grow lots of their own fruit in their backyard or wherever down the allotment from a little cutting like that they can probably obtain for free from someone, and away you go. Just how brilliant is that? And then of course the the watermelon videos and things like that. I remember one of my watermelon videos, I shot it on because at the time I had this, probably about that big, this tiny little little white phone. Can't even remember the name of it now. I bought it off of Amazon for something like £30 or something like that, and it was a really good phone actually, considering how cheap it was. But that video's on there. I think it was how to grow watermelons, or that's it, how to support container grown watermelons. That's it. Look at that one. That video has had, I think, about 80,000 views or something now, and I shot it on that tiny little camera that so yeah, just funny how it's all worked out really. And of course I would like to continue going with the channel and growing exotic things, and of course growing regular things as well, because I think there are merits to both. So yeah, post a little comment down below if you'd like. Let me know who you are. If you don't normally comment and you just watch and you want to say hi, feel free. Of course you don't have to, but as I said, I'd love to know just how long you've been following, and reasons why you reasons why you like following this channel, or you find it interesting, you find it informative, you want to learn about gardening, or you just find some of the stuff that I do a little bit amusing, whatever really. I really would like to know. So 5,000 subscribers, 13th of July 2019. It's not all about getting subscribers, it's about people enjoying the channel and the knowledge and stuff that people learn. I'm just looking at a sweet pea down there that I grew. That looks very nice actually. I might even show you that in a moment. But yeah, so where we go from here, who knows? Will I get up to 10,000 subscribers? It would be nice to. Got no time limits on these things, but it's nice to see that the message is getting out there of the importance and the brilliance of growing your own, because it's a subject that's I'm really passionate about, and I like to sort of share my passion with others. So there we go. Let's just have a look at that sweet pea. I think you can see that. Grew this from seed. I've got to get that in the ground actually somewhere. I've got some more sweet peas all over the show. Lovely though, isn't it? Okay people, so have a good evening, have a good Sunday, and take care. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. And once again, thank you very much for viewing the channel. I really do appreciate it. Speak soon.